Guys, nagprito na ako ng isda dito. Sa isda. Ayan, prito. Ayan. Paris natin ito sa ating adobong mangkong. Ayan guys, meron tayong kangkong dito. Gagawin natin na itong adobo. Ayan, adobo. Sa amin is apan-apan. Saka, kangkong ito. Saka. Himayin natin. Ayan. Sarap nito guys. Adobo na kangkong. Lutong probinsya. Ayan. Ito hindi binili ko. Ito yung binigay na sa akin. Ayan. Marami kasi dito mga tanim-tanim. Mga palayan. Binigay lang to. Ayan guys. Kumakain din ba kayo nito? Kaway-kaway sa mga kumakain dyan. Yeah. You eat this one too?
Yeah.
Oh. Are you sure?
Yeah.
Yes, very good. Say hi to my vlog.
Hi.
Ayun. Yung mga bunso ko. Laging kasama ni Papa dito sa bahay kasi mamayang hapon pa yung pasok sa school. Oh, yes. Eat tomato. Yan yan si tomato. Yeah. You eat tomato too?
Yes.
Yes, very good.
And onion, I don't like this one.
Oh, you don't like chili? Oh.
It's spicy.
Oh. What can you say about this? Okay, come here, come here. You talk to my vlog, okay? Welcome to my vlog, come on.
It's something like that.
Yes, that's my baby. Please support the vlog of Papa.
We have cheese and onion
Oh, very
and
good.
lemon.
You eat onion too?
Yeah. And this one.
Oh, this pepper?
Yeah.
This, oh.
That's not fun. Then we have garlic.
Yeah, what's that?
Garlic.
Okay, that's garlic. Other? What's that?
Tomato.
Tomato, very good. You eat that?
Yes.
Oh.
Onion.
Oh, you eat onion too?
Yes.
Francis here. You eat onion too?
Yes.
Oh, how about that?
No.
What's that? What's that? You said the camera. Chili. You eat chili?
Yeah.
You eat chili?
Yeah.
Oh,
Now this one.
what's that?
Lemon.
That is not a lemon. That's what is a but one?
Onion.
Yeah, just but one. What's that? That's
It looks like a plant.
yes, it's
But
laurel.
L'Oreal.
Laurel.
I think L'Oreal.
Yeah.
And this one yummy.
It's yummy. What's your shoe here? What's that yummy?
Yes.
What's that yummy? What's the name of that? That's kangkong.
Kangkong.
Yes, you eat kangkong?
Yes.
Oh my lord.
Look at chocolate. I have fish. I eating fish.
Oh, you eating fish?
Yeah, I'm hungry now.
Oh, are you hungry?
Yeah.
Oh. Are you hungry?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. 7, 5.
What is that? What is that? Tomato.
Tomato.
Yes.
Yeah. Mm. We make vegetables here, right?
Yes. Need to adobo.
Adobo?
Yes. You know that?
Yeah. Fish. What's that?
Garlic.
Garlic, first,
Yes.
there's onion, garlic,
Yes. Are you hungry?
yes,
Oh.
yes, yes. Yummy.
Ito na yung kangkong natin. Naugasan na yan. Ito yung mga sangkap niya. Sibuyas, bawang. Saka sibuyas, tuyo. Napainit na tayo dito ng kawali. Lagyan na natin kasi mainit na. Matika. Konti lang. Yan.
It's like close. Close.
Yes. So, mainit na yung matika. Lagyan na dito ang ating
Onion.
sibuyas.
And onion.
Onion.
Garlic.
And then, what's this?
Garlic.
Garlic, yes. We have garlic. Yan. Ano natin?
Garlic with onion.
Kamatis.
Tomato.
Tomato, yes. Sa ating kangkong. Lagyan natin yung kangkong natin.
Onion. Yeah. That's about.
Yes, vegetable. Okay. Can you hit the cover? Cover? That one, yeah. Yeah. Really? Okay, takpan muna natin. Takpan muna natin. Okay, lagyan ng tuyo. Kunti lang kanina yung tuyo nilagay. Tulong. Saka suka. Yan. Manta na yan. Yan, bitchin. Tagal na ito na. Yan. Gawin ulit natin para mahalo yung ating bitchin. Takpan hanggang sa maluto. Tikman natin. Atin ito. Ada lasa. Kulang guys asin para lumasa. Okay na. Then, okay na yung kan. Ito na. Diba? Kaya na natin. Okay. Malambot na yung kan. Tangkay. Takpan. Okay. Ulan namin. Adobong kangkong at saka dito ang isda. Bye guys, kain tayo.